Hi guys, so it's Megan, and this is my toddler toy that I made. It's called the coin drop because, here, let me take the coins out. Probably should. Okay, so this toy uses cognitive because they have to figure out which size, because there are two different size can lids for the coins. So one of them is the big one, and then this is the smaller one. And then the child can also figure out that the smaller one can also fit in the big one. And it also uses fine motor because they have to pick up the coin and put it in. So you have to kind of like push it in because it's a little hard to get in there. Yeah. Oh, and yes, it can develop into more than one developmental domain because I just showed you. The material I used this old butter container. You can probably see the lid. I couldn't really cover it up. I didn't really know how. I got this from my basement. I got most of this stuff from my basement. I used the top of can lids. I got those from my mom. I used black construction paper and used red, blue, yellow, orange construction paper. And I used this silver garland. I also used these googly eyes and these ball stickers. So they're different colors. And I also used this glitter glue. Didn't really work out, but I tried. And then for this I used super glue to glue this on because it was not staying on. And then the other stuff I just used regular glue. For instructing, okay, so you take the butter container and so you take the top of the butter container first. I did this first. And then you cut two horizontal lines, one of them bigger and one of them smaller. And then I did the construction paper. So I took the construction paper and I glued it all around the butter container. And then I took the top and I cut holes in the top black construction paper. And then I took the different colored construction paper and I made them out of circles. And then I thought of the idea that I could use the googly eyes, the glitter glue, and then the different types of balls that match the color of the circles. And that's basically it. I super glued this on. I glued everything else on. Yeah. Oh, and then for the coins, I forgot. I should have used tape, but I took I think this is ribbon. I took ribbon and I super glued it around because it wouldn't stay with regular glue. You can see it. I used green and it's kind of soft so they won't cut their fingers when they pick it up. And then other stuff that I can do with the toy, well, if you put the coin lids in, you can kind of shake it. It makes noise. And you can have the child tell you what color circle this is, or what type of ball it is. So this one's it could be a tennis ball or baseball, and then this one is a soccer ball, and it's orange soccer ball. This is a football. You could say it's blue football. And then what I would do differently, I originally wanted the toy to be at the top different shapes and stuff, but I couldn't find the materials to make it in the different shapes, so I just used the coin lids. And I also wouldn't have used ribbon for the coin lids. Like I said before, I probably would have used tape because since I used the ribbon, it's harder for it to put through the top, because it gets stuck sometimes. So I probably would use different colored tape. And then what surprises came along the way, I just came up with different stuff as I was going along. I originally was just gonna do the different colored circles, and then I was like, Well, maybe I can put googly eyes on it, and then I found the ball stickers in my basement, and then I used this garland to kind of make it look more appealing. And oh, and I used this glitter glue, but that's about it. So, thanks.